One Marketplace stands alone as the first company of its kind on planet Earth. One Marketplace incorporates the first ever smart shoppers coupled with the first ever connective marketing company. Smart shoppers will forever change the way people shop. Connective marketing will forever change how people will earn. Every time you introduce one smart shopper to one marketplace, you get paid every month on up to 2,047 people that you have nothing to do with. That's right, nothing to do with. You don't bring them, you don't know them, but you do get paid on them. That's connective marketing. And I promise you, connective marketing is going to have you dreaming again about a better life and what can be. So, welcome to One Marketplace and the world of smart shoppers and the future of shopping. It's unlike anything you've ever seen, and yet it's simple and fun. There are 6 components, the 6 C's: cost to join, connective marketing, community pods, compensation, curated products, and the Click to Build app. The first C, cost to join. Let's start with a loud bang. As I said earlier, this is brilliant and fun. There are no costs to sign up or any time, and you are actually paid to join and paid to stay. Monthly membership is $14.95, but you receive at sign up, and this is almost unbelievable, 1/2 ounce in silver. Silver is currently $30 an ounce. You get $30 a month in hotel credits, and 1 hotel credit is equal to $1 US, and you can use them anytime, anywhere in the world at over 1 million hotels and resorts. You get up to $100 per month in a do-nothing bonus. Simply by holding a position in the One Marketplace Global Pod, you can earn over time up to $100 a month for life. Also, you can own as many community pods as you like. And each pod can earn you up to $9,000 or more monthly, and that's just one pod. As you can see, factually, you make money every month simply by joining. That is unheard of. Now let's look at how it works. The concept of connective marketing has never been done before. So understand, you are truly a pioneer in something very new and very exciting. As smart shoppers join One Marketplace, they enter our global pod. The global pod is depicted as rings and starts with only 2 smart shoppers in the first ring. Each ring holds twice as many smart shoppers over the previous ring. The second ring is full at 4 smart shoppers. Next ring is full at 8 smart shoppers, then 16 smart shoppers, then 32, then 64. And this continues nonstop, doubling the number of smart shoppers, ring after ring, filling from the first ring out in a balanced fill. Within the global pod is your position that locks in your do-nothing bonus. A community pod starts when you enroll a smart shopper. That smart shopper takes the next available position in the global pod, shown in green. In this example, it's Bob, then Sue, then Pat, then Ann, plus 4 more, a total of 8 community pods that you have started. As the global pod continues filling with smart shoppers, your community pods get engulfed and filled by the global pod. Each ring is doubling the number of smart shoppers in your community pods. And it's important to know that every smart shopper inside your community pod represents the start of a community pod for somebody. The more smart shoppers, the more rings, the more growth. Initially, all smart shoppers are coming from the United States and Canada. Soon after our launch, we will begin to open other countries, allowing smart shoppers to enter from all over the world. So what are community pods? And what does this mean to you financially? Your first community pod started with Bob, who sits within the global pod. Does not matter where he sits. Your community pod starts with Bob and grows 2 by through each successive ring, 2, 4, 8, 16, through 11 rings. Your first community pod is filled when it reaches a total of 2,047 smart shoppers. Now the fun part. How much can you earn from each smart shopper in each of your community pods? From the membership, you earn from 65 cents to $2 per month per smart shopper. On one full community pod, that would be a minimum income of $1,300 to a high of over $4,000 monthly. From an average $70 shopping expenditure per month per smart shopper, you would receive a commission on one full pod of $3 per smart shopper times 2,047. That's a total income exceeding $6,000 monthly. All this income times the number of community pods you decide to start. And the best part, you will never know, train, motivate all the 2,000 plus smart shoppers you are being paid on in each pod. All you ever do is send out invitations about becoming a smart shopper. The only question you have to answer is, how many community pods do you want? What you're about to see next is the light bulb moment. It's the biggest reason to shop, and it drives commission nonstop. This is the engine behind connected marketing. Welcome to the new world of currency. At one marketplace, you will receive your monthly commission two ways: in the currency of your choice, gold, silver, crypto, or cash, and a portion of your commission in smart dollars. Yes, this is different, but there's a major reason for all of this. Smart dollars will drive your income. Imagine everyone in every one of your community pods being paid to shop, and when they do, you earn money. That's a smart dollar. And here's how you and everyone is getting paid to shop. And it can't get any better than this. And here's how it works. If you want to do nothing, just hold a position and invite no smart shoppers, you will earn the do nothing bonus, which pays up to $100 a month. Not very smart, but okay. If you enroll one smart shopper, you get your commission 50% currency, which is in gold, silver, crypto, or cash, your choice, and 50% in smart dollars with a maximum commission of $500 from your first community pod. If you enroll two smart shoppers, your maximum income is $2,000 from your two community pods. And as you add more and more smart shoppers, your maximum income goes up and up. Plus, you receive a higher and higher percentage of your income in currency and less in smart dollars every month. And when you reach 10 or more smart shoppers, there is no income limits on any of your community pods, and you are paid 90% in currency of your choice and only 10% in smart dollars. Pause for a second to understand the significance of this graph. It automates everything. You never have to worry if people will get 10 or more smart shoppers because the business financially rewards those that do. And when you put it into perspective, to get a smart shopper, when it's all said and done, it's about an hour of your time. Yeah, 1 hour. So what do you think will happen? Secondly, you never have to worry if people are going to shop because they're incentivized to do so. For example, if you were at 6 smart shoppers and earned $1,000 in commission, you would receive 300 smart dollars that you need to spend shopping. And one smart dollar equals one US dollar. Now, that's a lot of shopping each month. But the beauty is you're actually getting paid to shop. And when you do, and everyone else is doing the same, this generates new commissions that you're going to be paid on. The shopping never stops, and the income never stops. Now, that's the definition of a smart shopper. One marketplace will always be about curated products, products that have the wow factor, products that can save you more than you spend, and branded products with high demand, but always at a great price and always commissionable to you. Again, the definition of a smart shopper. And the last of the 6 C's is our Click to Build app, a simple system that everyone can use to invite hundreds or even thousands to become smart shoppers. In summary, there is nothing like one marketplace in existence anywhere in the world today. Great products, and we will always continue to add more and more products. You are paid to join, that's a first. Paid to shop in smart dollars, that's a first. Paid for every pod you start, that's a first. Paid in the currency of your choice, that's a first. Now that you've seen the presentation, the next question is, what do I do and how do I get involved now? Well, it all starts with a timestamp. You make sure you have a timestamp that determines where you will sit in the global pod when it launches. You make sure that everybody you know and that you want positioned gets a timestamp now. This will determine how many community pods you're going to own when one marketplace launches. So how does everyone get a timestamp?
Join now at Seaforth.com. Sign up as an affiliate member for just $9.99. This will give you your timestamp for one marketplace. Sign up as many affiliates as you want. All affiliates you sign up now will convert to your community pods when we officially launch this exciting new program.
We will be launching at the end of June 2025. Get back with the person who shared this video with you to get started.
That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, the race for early positioning starts now. Have fun, and thanks for watching.